how to sell crypto on Metamask. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on Metamask. So in order to sell crypto on Metamask, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and log in into your Metamask account. Once you're logged in, tap the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner, and on the other half you'll be able to see this sort of interface. Right on this page, go ahead and tap the sell button. After that, it's going to ask you where you're located or where is your current resident, and go ahead and select that. Next interface, you need to go ahead and select whether you want to buy or sell. Since you're selling the crypto, go ahead and tap the sell button and click the continue button located right at the bottom. Then it's going to ask you to enter in the exact amount of crypto that you wish to sell. You also need to select the cryptocurrency or the asset that you're selling, and then with this statement you'll be notified that you've successfully sold crypto on Metamask. So in that way you can sell crypto on Metamask. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.